Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing of Sew with Octavia, and in this video we're going to learn how to make this twisted yoke. Trust me when I say it's very easy to make. It looks very complicated, but I would explain it in a very detailed form. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming across us on this space, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So let's delve right into the video. So the first thing I did was to get my shoulder measurement, get my armhole measurement. Then I come down from there by 2.5 inches. That's the line I'm marking now. Okay, you can come down by 3 or more, but I already have my bodice made down already. Then for my shoulder, I measure half. Last I used 3.25 as my shoulder um width and came down by 4 inches for my neckline depth. So this I cut off what I already have. Then from the armhole point, I do my round bust of 35, which is 8.75. Then I added 1.5 inch allowance. So that's the marking I did then. I cut off what I have like that. That's cutting the neckline, then the shoulder, and the armhole. So now we have our actual yoke now. So it's now time to draft out the twist. So from the tip of the shoulder, I come down by 4 inches like that. Then you're going to connect it to the arm side of the other shoulder. That's from one shoulder to the other one. So I draw my lines like that from my neckline to the armhole of the other shoulder like that. So you now also can come down from that 4 inches and blend it to the other side of the yoke. So this part that I shaded is you are going to cut it out. You will not be needing that part. You only be needing the part where it's not shaded, which is this one where I tap. So you're going to cut out four pieces of it, which is two for one side, two for one side, because we're going to use the same fabric for both the fabric and lining. You're going to turn it. So this is me cutting it on the fabric. I first cut out two pieces, then I used the one I cut out to cut out another piece. So the reason you have to actually line it with the fabric is because by the time you twist it or you knot it, it's going to be showing the back of the fabric. So that's why you need to line both fabric and lining with the same fabric. Okay, so this is how it's going to be when you're done. You can see that the back is showing on one side. So I'm going to cut out. This is the first two pieces I cut. I cut out on that one. So I now have, by the time I turn it, I now have two separate pieces. So by the time we twist it, we'll see that there will be no reflection of the back side of the fabric. I hope you understand that. So now this is already my bodice I have. I just place it on the bodice and I match it at the armhole part. So this is me pinning it down so it's steady. You do the same thing for the other side. Now, not to panic, but the sleeve is going to be what is going to connect the upper part of this yoke and the lower part of the yoke. It's going to head by the sleeve. So the distance, that's that spacing that is there, you make sure that it's equal on the two sides. From what I cut out from my pattern, I have 2 inches spacing from that part that is open. So when I connect my back piece to my front piece like that, this is what I have. Now it's time for me to incorporate my sleeve. I already cut out my sleeve, so I pin it round. Then, like I said earlier, I have 2 inches spacing from that point. You leave out 2 inches when you get to that point on the sleeve and continue pinning round the armhole. So the sleeve is actually what is gonna be holding the upper part of the yoke and the lower part of the yoke. After pinning, I take it to the sewing machine, I sew it down, and that's it, guys. This is what we have after sewing. I hope it's something you try out, and kindly leave me a like, comment, or words of encouragement to the comment section. Please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.